Hey guys, so your girl is back with another video, and today's video is going to be all about my nails. Be sure to like this video, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel. I thought it would be a really good idea to do this video because we are all quarantined, and what better way to be pampering yourself, right, is to do your nails. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do my nails at home when I'm not able to go to the salon or if I'm on a budget. Also, I am using my iPhone 11 to record this video, by the way, so let me know what you guys think about the quality. Today I'm going to be using these nails. These nails are by Kiss and they are the gel fantasy nails. I got the color in pink. It's more like a nude kind of color, and the length is a long. I actually got these nails from Walmart, by the way. They're really cheap at Walmart. I'm going to be using the glue technique instead of the gel technique. Let's get right into this tutorial. Okay guys, so this is how my nails look like without any fake nails, and honestly my nails look really busted, but trust and believe, towards the end of this video my nails will look really good. So right here I am filing down my nails. You want to do this so you can have a smooth canvas. So the next thing that you want to do is use some acetone to make sure you clean off your nails. I already did that, and as you guys can see, I did the right side of my hand already. So I'm using a generous amount of glue. Be careful to not use too much glue because you will end up with a mess. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for this video. These are how my nails look like. As you guys can see, they look really nice. I really do like them, and they really look like I got them done at a nail salon. So that is pretty much it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, and also hit that subscribe button if you are new to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.